Here we have my candy washer dryer, Alise. It's an 8 kg, drives at 5 kg. Absolutely nothing wrong with it. I only upgraded to 10 kg because I've got a big family. Let me see, where do I start? So you can do a full wash and dry for 59 minutes. It does a good job of it.
Do a drain and spin.
Yeah, drain, spin, high heat dry, intensive, hygiene, perfect, rapid. There's a fast wash for 14 minutes, so you could do your fast wash for 14 minutes and then dry for an hour or two. So it's a brilliant washing machine. Let me see. Let's show it doing something.
Drain and spin.
So there you are. This is the 14 minute. And there you go. You've got the lock there.
You're doing a rapid wash, yeah?
Yeah, yeah.
Okay.
Just to show it spinning. And it shows you where here it is doing things. See, as you can see, it's spinning. The inside of the drum is nice and clean.
No lime scale?
Yeah, no lime scale. I've had it for about maybe a year, and I've upgraded. As you can see, this one here.
Right, now let's do the drain and spin.
Do you want to do a drain spin?
Yeah, get the water out.
Yeah, let's show. Then you can hear the pump trying to get stuff out.
No, it's there, drain and spin.
Right.
Do you have to turn it off first?
Yeah, you have to turn it off. Yeah.
Right.
Do a drain and spin.
That's it. There you go.
And that's the sound of the pump. If there was water in it, it'd be spitting it out. But it's a great washing machine. I've only got good things to say about it. I just needed a larger drum.